Guruji, why at times things appear to happen with a plan to disturb peace in oneself? And there is one more. Why people behave irrationally in spite of our best efforts?
Well, do you always behave rationally? Ask this question. Do you behave irrationally? That's how everyone is nothing but a reflection of you. You are nothing but a reflection of others. So, if their behavior is immature, they'll need more time to mature. Yeah, have patience. Or they lack knowledge, so give them knowledge. Yes. It's useless to sit and see why others are like that. You know, we worry about things that are happening. Oh, why it is happening? Why so and so is like that? You should stop this. You should turn and see what you are doing. You have control on what you can do or you are doing. You have no control on what is happening by others or in situation. We do the other way around. We don't take notice of what you are doing, how you behave, what is your attitude, what is happening inside and which you have control, you don't look at it. But you try to control others, you try to control the situation, and you start blaming them, which you can't do anything about it. Did you get it? You have no control over others' mind. And you try to control others' mind. You can have a say on your own mind, which you don't look at it at all. Isn't it? The world is unhappy because of this. You know, if we stop trying to control what is happening and have a say in what you are doing, then you become much more stronger, effective, powerful, successful, and happier. That is it. That's it today.